Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be talking about the driving license process, how to open the file and what are the process, how to follow it. The first step is you need to go for eye test, which is done at your Teams optical, which is available everywhere in the city, like in the vicinity also you'll have it. So you can go to that center and you can say that I want to do my eye test for the driving license. It will cost you 100 dirham. The second step is, if you have your driving license from home country and you want to apply for golden opportunity, then you will have to go to local typing center, and they will again take 100 or 150 dirham. It depends upon the typing centers, and they will convert it into Arabic for you. That will take roughly about 2 to 3 working days, not more than that. In my case, it took 7 days because those days it had some issue, or maybe the festival was going on because of that. Once your Arabic translation is done, then you can open traffic file, which even you can do it, or else you can go to again typing center and they will do it for you. If you go to typing center, they will charge roughly about 250 to 300 dirham, and if you do it on TAM app directly, then it will cost you 203 dirham. Once you have opened the file, then you will get all the login details and everything, and you can go through the material whatever they provides online, and once that is done, you can book the test, which is the theory test day. And once you are done with the theory test, before booking theory test, you will have to go to Emirates Business School, and there the cost will be roughly about 1500. You will have to pay there in the school, and then you will get the theory test day. You can choose, and you need to, once you go through with all the materials, you are ready for the theory test. Once you have cleared the theory test, then again you will have to book the driving slot, and once you have the driving test slots, before that you need to complete 6 hours training with the local driving school, and to be eligible for that, you will have to pay 250 dirham roughly about, to get the learning license. After clearing your theory test, immediately you can pay and you can apply for it. Within 1 or 2 working days, it will get delivered to you, and then you are officially eligible to drive and complete this 6 hours training. Generally the training cost is 150 dirham, where they will do pick and drop from your place to the Musafa driving class area where you are officially eligible to drive, and 150 for 2 hours. So technically, if you will do 6 hours, so it will cost you 450 plus 75 dirham for the certificate, which comes to 550, or maybe 175 or 200, 550 or 525, depend upon your driving school. Again, you can negotiate with them. Once you are done with that, then your certificate will be uploaded by the driving school, and you can apply for the driving final test. And once you have your final test, the day you will go, before 15 minutes you will have to book the bus, which will cost you again 206 dirham if you pay it by the card online. So once you have booked the bus, then you will go in the bus, and in the bus all the candidates are sitting, and the driving motor is ahead, where your turn will come and you will go. So it's like, if there are 30 people, your turn might be first, second, or in the end. So if yours is in the end, then it will take roughly about, if your test is at 12, then you can consider it might take roughly about 2 hours, and if you are lucky yours is in the initial first to fifth, then it might not take more than half an hour also. So that's the process of driving license for golden chance. If you fail, then I've already uploaded another video where once you have failed the golden chance, then what to do, how much it will cost, and what is the next procedure. You can go and check my video, that one. Good luck to all of you. Comment me and let me know who all have cleared in the first attempt, and good luck.